Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have over 140,000 followers, and I'm here to share some of my tips for creating viral content on the platform. Today I'm going to talk about one of my secrets to creating a lot of content in a short amount of time, and that is creating a series. So for example, today I'm filming 5 videos all at once. Same robe, same fancy hair, same lack of makeup, but if you film a series, you only have to do that setup, even if it's a simple setup. For me, it's a ring light and walking into the room with a green screen and putting on a robe, but even that takes time, right? And I have a full-time job as a pastor. I have a lot of other stuff I need to do. So I do that setup once and then film 5 videos. One of the fun things about series is if you film stuff that's all related. So for example, I did a whole thing about Texas banning books and about books of the Bible that Texas might ban if they actually read them. And the first video was very successful and it generated interest, and so people were excited to come back for part 2. Series work phenomenally well for educational series. I would not recommend doing a series for current events. And the reason is, with a series, I might film them all at once and even edit them all at once, but I post once a week. With current events, by the time 5 weeks is done, everything has changed, and so your content won't be as relevant anymore. But if you're gonna do a series where the information's not gonna change a whole lot in the next 5 weeks, I highly recommend filming several videos at once. It's a great shortcut to creating more content in less time. Good luck! Be sure to like and then subscribe to our channel so more people can see this content. Share it with other clergy, other folks who are new to TikTok, and don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm again at Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, and I'll see you again soon with more tips.